everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today I'm going to be sharing some tips on teaching sun safety to younger children. UV exposure during childhood and adolescence can lead to problems later in life, such as skin cancers, so it's important to develop good habits early. Twinkl have joined forces with SunSmart to create a range of educational resources to help kids have fun while staying safe outside. For example, there are photo booth props, which you can print out easily to use for playing dress-ups or having fun with during sun safety themed roleplay. Or you can also practice slip, slop, slap, seek and slide with this dice rolling activity. Children roll 2 dice to play. One dice identifies an item of clothing, while the other identifies a color. Children find the item of clothing that matches this combination and place it on the outline of their person. Next is this Can You Find activity. This activity asks children to find certain numbers of SunSmart items in the image. This reinforces ways that learners can make good choices to protect themselves from UV radiation, while also practicing their counting skills. The activity page also features discussion prompts to get learners thinking about what is and what isn't SunSmart, and how they can make situations more SunSmart. Lastly, we have the SunSmart Board game. Players take turns rolling the dice and moving that many spaces. If you land on a sun, pick up a card and see if you can figure out whether it is showing something SunSmart or not. Explain your answer, and if the other players agree with you, you can move forward 2 spaces. If not, move back 2 spaces. Whoever reaches the end first wins. There are loads of other great resources on sun safety available as a result of Twinkl's collaboration with SunSmart. So if this is up your alley, make sure you take a look around the Twinkl website for more. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.